Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the 13th day in the question practice, and the question for you is that what is the other name for the telomerase enzyme, or what is the nature of the telomerase enzyme? You have four options for the same. First option is that it is DNA dependent DNA polymerase. Second option is that it is DNA dependent RNA polymerase. Third option is it is RNA dependent RNA polymerase, and the fourth option is it is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. So you have four options and the question in front of you. Try to find the answer for the same and write down the answers in the comment sections. In addition, you can also write down the functions of the telomerase enzyme in the description box for your revision, for your practice itself. So do not forget that this particular topic about the function, the nature and the roles played by telomerase enzyme is very important, and time and again the questions have been asked from this particular topic. So try to find the answer and write down in the comment sections. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. I'll see you very soon. More questions, more informative videos on Botany Insider. Thank you for watching. Good luck.